63, lesson number 26, called Madar. Madar means mother. First play it without reeds, without trill. Second finger. After you got used to the rhythm, apply reeds. And then start with 4 trills. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Or rast chap, rast chap. Then practice, practice, practice. Your goal is supposed to be not countable, like maybe exactly the same space that you have. You're going just to fill it out, like da, 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 trill, da, da, trill, da, da. But it's safe you start from 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow. Same for here. Faster. Tremolo. Slowly, slower. Ritardando. Slowly, you make it slow. Again, ritardando and slower. So you have lots of important finger position. You're supposed to look at your book and see how you are going to change your fingers from C string to G string, like this. And then stay on G string. And so on. Let's play it from the beginning without talking. Page number 64, lesson 27, called پیش درآمد افشاری by موسی معروفی. پیش درآمد means prelude. افشاری is one of the branches of دستگاه شور. شور is one of the Persian music systems name. شور, ماهور. So we already know about ماهور and شور so far. شور has 5 branches. One of them called افشاری. Okay, si bemol, mi bemol, la koron. the mode, this is the feeling. So find on your instrument si bemol, mi bemol, la koron, si bemol, mi bemol, la koron, mi bemol here and si bemol here and la koron. Then you can have the best control of playing that piece, prelude, پیش درآمد. And پیش درآمد mostly is going to be played at the beginning of the concert. Of course, traditional way. Beginning of the concert to bring people to the mood of that مقام or دستگاه or آواز or system. So sometimes you are going just to see D quarter tone or re koron. Just be careful about that also. 1 and 2 and راست چپ راست چپ. So in Afshari you have re koron and then change it to Rebecca. This is the specific sign for how we are going just to understand, oh, it is Afshari by listening. On Si bemol, please play vibration or vibration. How we are going just to make it happen? Si, first finger, push it up in the same situation or it's home, same space. So you're going just to push it up a little bit and bring it back to the home. And practice and make it faster. To re, trill با یک مضراب. Trill with one peak or one مضراب. So re, echo it. How? We are going just to play one re with second finger. We are going just to tap on mi bemol or E flat. So فا می کرون اتصال finger position, mi koron, and first finger is going just to be finished with note fa from the beginning.